Hello everybody, we're talking about day 4 hints now. So you're going to watch a video on the different kinds of sequences. So we have our arithmetic sequences, our geometric sequences, and any recursive sequence. Actually, the other sequences can be represented recursively. I don't think I mentioned that in the video, but you can also write the arithmetic sequences, which I believe this one is. But you can write them as recursive sequences, which is something like this. So I write it as, well, this is the function at some number, right? So if we say, and it could be that this is like n equals 0 or n equals 1. So I think actually here they give us, they lock it down for us. So they say the function at the fourth step is 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be 1. So n equals 1, n equals 4 right here. And sometimes it's a little confusing on whether the first step is 1 or the first step is 0. And it's a common problem in programming. It's the off by 1 bug. We call it OBOB, off by 1 bug. So just keep that in mind, that do I start with 1 or do I start with 0? So that's just a little hint for you. And so you're going to be able to answer these questions just based on that. So like, what is the pattern that's happening, and you can just take the information you learned from the sequence video and figure out what is the next number that happens after 24, and you're basically looking at how are these changing each time. And then you can answer these questions by the function at 1. Actually, I'll just give that one to you. The function at the first step is 3, so that would be the answer there. And then the function at what step is 6, so you look at 6 and say what step is it happening, and so on. Okay, and then you'll be able to do this one. So how are they related to each other, and you can do these just like you would do those. Okay, another problem just like it. How are they related to each other? And what are the functions evaluated at these different steps? Okay, and then there's a couple of questions to answer about functions there. And then you're going to watch a video on the canoe trip. Once you watch that, you should be able to do these problems. More on the canoe trip. And so this is similar to the idea of the canoe trip, but now we're looking at a Ferris wheel test ride. So there's a graph of it, and you can describe what's happening, tell your own story about what's happening on this ride, and there's a graph for it. So how does the graph relate to the table of values and all that kind of stuff? Okay, and then the final thing on day 4 is you're going to jump into GeoGebra. GeoGebra is a great program that shows you how to do math dynamically with little slider bars and stuff. So go ahead and watch this video, and you're going to create your own file that you'll turn into your teacher. So I really like GeoGebra. It's a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoy it.